And this is the after I've painted it white again. And here's the chairs, as they have been painted white again also. And I did put 2 coats on each one of the chairs and on the love seat. As you all can see, I still got a mess out here. But I may have to go back and put another coat. I'm hoping that I do not have to do that. It looks pretty good to me. But anyway, this is it. So tomorrow what I'll do, I'll go up there and start. I did get that umbrella cover washed, and it looks pretty good after the wash. So hopefully we'll be able to keep it and won't have to purchase a new one. But I did just want to come on and show you the love seat and the chairs. They really turned out great. And I'm so glad it was warm enough for me to get them painted today. I also told you I may be painting the fountain. I decided to paint it black, and I really like it. Now that it's painted, I can get my husband out here to get it up and running for me. That is the one that I told you that I had purchased from Goodwill. So we got it painted. As you can see on the side, I still have a mess with my paint brushes and everything I've been cleaning with today. But this is it. And so, like I said, tomorrow we'll try something going up here and getting started. And hopefully within the next week or so we'll get it all together. I will decide then whether I'm going to redo the rugs and so on. I want to thank you for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of the design family, I'm going to ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma. I'm going to be seeing you in my next video.